Good morning, dear student. In our English Unit 10, and the name of Unit 10 is a boy who had vegetables here. So, a boy. Here is a talk. It is a lesson about one boy, and the name of that boy is Jeet here. And Jeet disliked to eat the vegetables here. Jeet disliked to eat the vegetables here. So we see here that picture in activity 1 is given here that what do you see in this picture here? So we can say that I see a boy with a burger, cold drinks and chips in his plate here. These all the things we can see here, burger, cold drinks and chips here in this plate here. Then what is your favorite dish here? Which is your favorite dish here? So we can say that my favorite dish is Punjabi dish here. I like to eat the Punjabi food here. Then identify the following vegetables and fruit here. Identify the following vegetables and fruit here. So we can say that first that is given here brinjal here. Here the photo, the picture is given of brinjal here. Then second one that is lady's finger. Here the photo is about lady's finger. Then this is a picture of grapes is given here. This is a photo, this is a picture of grapes here. Then the fourth one that is potato. Potato is given here in a fourth picture. Then after given the fruit that is watermelon here. Then onion is given here, that is picture of onions, we can say that here. Then what is happen here? Why the John Jeet dislike here? Then another picture is given here, like first picture here in another second page here, that is strawberry here. This is a picture of strawberry here. Then after picture of tomato is given here, tomato. This is a picture of tomato. Then this is a picture of carrot here. We can say that. Then in activity 2 given here, now listen to the part 1 of the story as your teacher read here. So a boy who had vegetables here. So we can say that here Jeet was very fond of chocolate here. We can say that Jeet liked to eat chocolate. It is his staple food here. We can say that Jeet liked chocolate more in a compared of other food here. So he also loved the tasty dishes his mother made here. Like he liked to eat the spicy as well as the tasty, that is delicious food he like here. So however he would never eat any vegetable, but he disliked to eat the vegetable like all the childrens. I have seen that many children do not like to eat vegetables or chapati, but they would like to eat a burger, pizza, sandwich, such a food they would like to eat here, and chocolate and ice cream. It is a delicious, or the we can say that it based like food here, chocolate and ice cream here. So his mother would get angry here. Jeet is dislike here to eat the vegetable, so his mother become angry here upon him here. But for any vegetable dish, Jeet would always say no here. Jeet always say no, I would not like to eat vegetables here. Jeet is always say no to eat the vegetables here. So what to do here is one question here for the Jeet mother here, and he did not like to eat any vegetable. Single vegetable he dislike here to eat here. So what to do here? Name any vegetable and Jeet would turn his face away here. As in when his mother say, I have made this vegetable here. But always Jeet turn his face and say no angrily. I would not like to eat any vegetable here. So he had to eat the vegetable. He disliked to eat the vegetable here. So he would not look at even carrot, that is gajar halwa, topped with nuts and raising here. His mother made the beautiful halwa, carrot halwa, gajar halwa, but still he said no to it because halwa is made from the carrot here. So he disliked to eat any vegetable and any product, any food that is made of the vegetables here. So he disliked to eat the vegetable and the vegetable product, vegetable food. So Jeet father and mother would get very angry here. But what to do here? But all the vegetables would feel more angry upon him here. But all the vegetable also angry upon him. Why Jeet is not eat us here? So vegetables also become angry upon the Jeet here, and they hurt here. Each and every vegetable hurt. So he also here vegetables also dislike here Jeet, because Jeet does not eat them here. That's why all the vegetable hurt here. So Jeet does not like me. I also do not like him, growled Mr. Potato here one day here. So one day Mr. Potato said that if Jeet dislike us, then why we like him? I am also. Potato say that I am also do not like him here. Jeet is a not good boy here because Jeet does not eat us here. So Mr. Potato say I also had, or I also does not like Jeet here because Jeet do not eat them here. Then one carrot said that, see how he hated me, cried Carrot Tops angrily here. So Carrot become more angry here. Carrot say angrily, see how he hates me here. Really, he never liked to see the carrot here. So I would like to spank the fellow, said Miss Bindi here. Miss Bindi said that by saying this, when his mother made the vegetable of bindi, on that time he had Miss Bindi. So Bindi said that I would like to slap him. Bindi became more angry upon Jeet and said that I would like to beat him because he not eat me. So, and I know how to deal with this stubborn boy, Mr. Karela said with a naughty smile here. Here, Mr. Karela said that I would like to how to deal with such a stubborn boy here. Stubborn means here a person who never heard someone here. Especially child is more stubborn here. Child is more stubborn here. Whatever he like, he do here. He does the work here. So he just stubborn here. He is more stubborn here. He never listened to his father and his mother. So Mr. Karela said, I would like to do something for such a stubborn boy, and how to deal with such a stubborn boy. I know that it very well here. And by the time dinner was ready, all the vegetables had worked out their plan here. So when his mother made the food on that time, in a dinner time, all the vegetable altogether they have worked out and made one plan here to do something for such a stubborn boy Jeet here. And Jeet was fond of pizza. Jeet liked to eat pizza. When the pizza was brought to the table, he greedily put a piece of pizza in his mouth here. Jeet liked to eat chocolate as well as Jeet liked to eat pizza, and when by seeing the pizza on the table, he greedily eat here, pizza here, and on this pizza is bitter, he cried here. When he put one piece of pizza So here Jeet found that pizza is bitter here because he did not know that Mr. Karela had squeezed his juice on his plate here. So here Karela is bitter in a taste, we know that. Karela is bitter in taste. So here Mr. Karela here do something here to deal with such a stubborn boy here. So he apply his bitter juice on pizza. So as in when here Jeet eat one piece of pizza, so he find here pizza is bitter here. So rubbish, his father shouted here. What happened here? Rubbish, his father said that. What happened here to the Jeet here? But here Mr. Karela wants to teach him that why he had all the vegetables here. In activity 3, we can say that answer the following question based on the above story here. So, which character have been mentioned so far? Which are the character in this lesson here? So, the characters are Jeet, his father, and mother, potato, carrot, lady's finger, Miss Bindi, and Karela are mentioned here in so far here. Jeet was fond of chocolate, and what do you like to eat here? So I can say that I would like to eat ice cream here. So ask your classmate about their favorite dish here. So each and every person would like to eat the different food here. So my classmates' favorite dish is Chinese item, Chinese food here. So in short, we can say that in this activity 2, we came to know that Jeet is very fond of chocolate and ice cream and such a delicious tasty food here, and he had to eat the vegetable and vegetable food, vegetable product here. So here all the vegetables are curious and they are angry upon Jeet here. What to do here? But Mr. Karela said that I will teach him a lesson here by applying his bitter juice on pizza and teach Jeet a lesson here. So here Jeet mother and his father both anxious why Jeet is not, or we can say that why the Jeet had to eat the vegetables here. The rest part we see in a next video. Okay, thank you.